Denver7 is celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with a preservation project happening just south of Mile High.
And as Denver7's Jason Grenauer reports, the goal is to bring back community art that was thought to be lost forever.
It's a pretty tedious job, I would say.
What this is
It's kind of like digging for dinosaur bones or something.
is not painting. It is not art.
This chemical that we're using, it's called trans gel, and it's designed to melt graffiti off of walls.
This is uncovering art.
It's pretty difficult to melt the paint off the wall while still maintaining the artwork underneath.
Using chemicals and power washing to get years of white paint off of this wall in Denver's Sun Valley neighborhood. Revealing pieces of this mural from the 1970s.
This mural was treasured by the community for years.
Emmanuel Martinez would know.
Yeah, I designed it and directed it.
Originally painted by community members, it soon fell victim to graffiti, then arguably worse.
The city just painted over it.
Now, as part of his daughter's organization, the Chicano Murals of Colorado Project, the goal is to bring this giant piece of art back.
This is one of the biggest murals in Denver, so it's going to take a while if we want to uncover the entire thing.
It'll be a very challenging project, but I think we can get it done.
Small section by small section. What does seeing your mural kind of coming back out mean to you?
Oh, I'm ecstatic about it. I think it's just great to start seeing some imagery and seeing some of it coming back.
Knowing this can be done. A nearby mural at 8th and Federal that was painted over was restored back to this. And other nearby Chicano murals are also being preserved with something called Mural Shield.
The only thing really left is the murals.
A way to restore and remember the cultural influence of the longtime residents of this neighborhood.
Yeah, it's important to our community and the community at large, I think, just to be aware of it. Our presence at one time.
I'm Jason Grenauer, Denver7.
Wow, that is impressive. And you can find a map of all the Chicano murals in Colorado and also take a virtual tour of them at ChicanoMuralsofColorado.com.